This is my current home screen setup. Clean, minimal, and inspired by iOS. And the best part? You can build this step by step on your own phone. Everything you need, wallpaper, widgets, icon packs, is in the description, so just follow along. First, download the wallpaper from the description. Set it as your home screen wallpaper. This creates the base for the entire setup. Now install Smart Launcher and set it as your default launcher. Long press on the home screen and tap Show All Settings. Now watch this. Go to Page Manager, tap the 3 lines, and select Apple Layout. Apply it. Instantly, your layout feels cleaner. Go back, open Home Screen Settings, and enable the dock. Set columns to 4 and rows to 1. Now adjust icon size, around 70 to 80%. Small change, big difference. Now go back, open Grid Properties. Set columns to 4 and rows to 7. Enable icon labels. Now everything feels more structured. App page is already organized, so you don't need to touch anything. That's the advantage of Smart Launcher. Now go back to the home screen. This creates that iOS-style feel. Now add your essential apps. And keep this in mind, only apps you actually use daily. Everything else? Leave it. Now long press, tap Add Widget, and choose Widget Stack Pro. If you're using the free version, no problem. Just use a normal KWGT widget. Now open KWGT and select Oreo KWGT widgets. Or use the free iOS-style widgets from the description. I'm using a clean, minimal calendar widget. In this setup, I'm using around 5 widgets. But notice this, nothing feels crowded. That's intentional. Now apply a black icon pack. This is what gives that premium look. I've added free alternatives in the description. And if you comment iOS setup, I might give away some promo codes. Now here's the part most people miss. Long press the widget stack, go to Configure, and enable auto widget switching. Set it to 8 seconds. Now watch this. Your widgets change automatically. Smooth, clean, and actually useful. And here is the final result. Minimal, functional, and distraction-free. I create setup videos, step by step, so you can build them exactly like this. Subscribe, and I'll make your next setup.